President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala. Henin kasni ula Pdiang ya kacing pet seng jengki dekat ka parti ha Meghalaya. Hadian ba ula shimti ya kakam President ka parti. Kabalawan ra ya kacing hiar ya u. Uba Vincent ubala syakjit laisien ban longkom UMP na Shillong Parliamentary Seat. Ula syak remno ha u kertong jengka Voice of the People Party u Dr. Ricky A.J. Sengkon. Haba ula kentok baka seng kandang la ban KM hari lum garu. Uba pala ula ong ba la lap ba om dan por ban pen KM hari lum KHASI bat jaintia. Ula ong ba hadian ke election Lok Sabha ka seng kan sekentiu ya kinong yalam ki badang kena ha gejala.
With the MLAs, 12 MLAs, they took along all the party workers. When 5 MLAs, when they took all the workers, it takes time. So, but sometimes I think I've seen in girls, everybody left. We got the opportunity to revamp the party. So here also, I think now everybody left. I think Manuel is the best example of all. And I'm very confident that the mandate for the MP is normally not the same for the MLA, it's not the same for MDC.